The next section of the tax organizer, the personal income. Please provide your full name, social security number, driver's license, occupation, and date of birth. If you received an identity protection PIN, please provide that information as well. If you will be filing jointly or separately, we will need your spouse's information. Also, we'll need your current address as well. Moving forward, if you have a New York State driver's license, please provide the document number. Also, we need your phone number, email address, and alternate contact. Do you want the above contact information reflected on your ATVS account? Please let us know. Also, let us know if you lived at that address the entire year. And finally, if you usually file a local, city, or school district tax return. Other information we need to know is if you moved from one state to another. Please provide the state you moved from, the date you moved, the state you moved to, and the date you arrived. Continuing on with filing statuses, if you are married and unsure how to file, please provide all tax information for both taxpayer and we will determine the best filing status. If you are filing separately and need an extension, please notify ATVS. And the different types of filing statuses we have are single, head of household, qualifying a widower, married filing jointly, and married filing separately. If you will be filing head of household or qualifying a widower, you will need a qualifying dependent. If you are married filing separately, and we need to know if your spouse itemized or took the standard deduction. Continuing forward, we have additional questions. If you were legally married on December 31st of 2023, please let us know. Also, if you were legally married but did not live with your spouse after June 30th of 2023, we need to know that as well. Also, we need to know if your spouse passed away or not. If claiming the injured spouse, who is filing as the injured spouse. An injured spouse. If you or your spouse has a prior year tax debt that the other does not share and the current return has a refund, the spouse with no tax debt may qualify as an injured spouse and may be able to get back a portion of their return. Continuing forward, we have the dependent section. Please provide the first name of your dependent, the last name of your dependent, the social security number, date of birth, relation to you, if they were a student or not, how many months they lived with you in 2023, and how much of the support do you provide for them? Can you provide documentation proving the relationship, support, and residency of your dependent if necessary? And also, we need to know the names of the dependents that are considered disabled based on a state determination. Finally, if you have an agreement with the former spouse to claim the children who do not live with you, you must provide Form 8332 signed by the former spouse.